St. Jude's India Childcare Center is a home away from home for children battling cancer. It provides free accommodation and holistic support to children who comes from small villages and remote towns for cancer treatment.
With the appearance of coronavirus in India, and with Mumbai soon becoming a COVID-19 hotspot, we realized the need to prepare our center staff and our families to deal with this unprecedented crisis.
In this pandemic time, St. Jude and partner hospitals came together to help our families. To help, our Tata Memorial Hospital set up OPD units on Cotton Green campus to screen our children.
In addition to the ration that is provided by us, St. Jude has been offering provisions such as eggs, fresh fruits and vegetables to our young residents and their families so that they don't have to venture out in search of essentials.
All non-essential staff, volunteers and visitors were prohibited from entering the center. Special transport was arranged for center staff, for housekeeping and for security staff.
KMH और एप्टेक के डॉक्टर की मदद से हम लोगों ने व्हाट्सएप पे एक वीडियो शेयर किया है जो हाइजीन के ऊपर है। डॉक्टर्स ने उसमें बताया है कि हैंड वॉश करने के क्या स्टेप्स हैं और हैंड सैनिटाइजर कब और कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है। हमारे सेंटर में जो फैमिलीज रह रही है उनके हम लोगों ने पर्सनल केयर का जो भी इस्तेमाल का सामान है उसका हम लोगों ने स्पेशली ध्यान रखा है कि उन तक वो मिले। सेंटर के बच्चे, उनके माता पिता और हमारे स्टाफ, इनको हमने मास्क पहनना कंपल्सरी कर दिया है। इन दिनों में हम लोगों ने मास्क, सोप, सैनिटाइजर और पीपी सोप इसका इस्तेमाल थोड़ा बढ़ा दिया है।
For several weeks, we were able to fend off the virus, but on May 8, COVID-19 made its appearance in our Cotton Green campus, when one of our staff members tested positive. We were prepared for this possibility and were ready with our emergency plan. All this while, Tata Memorial Hospital's doctors and staff has been a big support to St. Jude's. All our SOPs are in line with the government guidelines and continue to be updated as and when required.
During this time, if a child's treatment was complete, we were able to send these families back home by arranging for transport and travel permits for them. Children living in various districts of Maharashtra were dropped back to their hometowns by buses arranged by St. Jude. There were also children who were unable to come to the hospitals for their follow-up visits due to the countrywide lockdown. We were able to help these children living in remote parts of the country by procuring and delivering medicines to them through various sources. I feel very happy and proud to be a part of this endeavor.
For the families that stayed on with us at the centers, we had to find ways to keep their spirits up and the children engaged during the lockdown. All our educational, recreational and counseling activities became virtual. We also started a virtual volunteering program that allows anyone willing to spend some time and connect with the children remotely.
Keeping in mind our two mottos of learning does not stop and yes we can, our teachers are now using technology creatively to encourage children to learn and read more. Through daily exchange of worksheets, sudokus, puzzles, stories, videos, teachers are helping children to learn something new every day. We now have virtual volunteers who connect with our older students one-on-one to ensure that they're not falling back on their math skills and their science concepts.
In usual times, the staff has been absolutely exemplary. Putting their own fears and concerns aside, they've been coming into the centers and ensuring that the operations are executed seamlessly. They have adapted beautifully well to online platforms to ensure that all the work that they otherwise did in the physical form of the centers is followed. Gratitude for the entire team, St. Jude.
Thank you for your kindness, generosity, patience and faith in St. Jude's as we battle COVID, even as we continue to wage war against cancer.